This is Fancy Lady and Baby Salvation. And what I noticed about Fancy Lady breeds, that when they're male, they're a painted color horse. And when they're female, it's a solid color horse. This is Night Copy, aka KC. So the reason that we call KC is because his name is Night Copy. So we say KC. But still to this day, I think Copy is technically Junior, but in horse form. His dad was named Night. And this is Jazz Shaker. And this is Salvation, no longer with us. And this is a video of me and Salvation.
Y'all see him?
This video wasn't this year, by the way, as you can tell.
Y'all, he followed me all the way over here.
And this is me and Carlos going to visit Salvation. And we're not going to talk about the gloves.
See how you start looking.
Yeah, he said, hey.
And y'all see the horse that I just showed, which is a brown horse, and his name is Jazz Shaker. I heard that is Salvation's parent, and Fancy Lady, which y'all saw in the beginning of the video, is Salvation's mom too. Two browns, which are basically like dominant colors, can make a black horse, like Salvation. Yeah. Two dominant colors, which are brown, can make dominant color, which is black. Just like a cow. Two black cows, and you end up with a brown cow. Look in the form if you don't know. And this is Cheyenne and Salvation. Oh, these pictures right here aren't mine, sorry. And Cheyenne is no longer with us, R.I.P. I couldn't but tell you what happened to this bull.
Full stop. I got stuck in the mud, y'all.
This is Honey Goat and Ken, and Honey Goat is no longer with us, R.I.P. This is Faith, Achy Breaky, and Fancy Lady. And this is Luna and Salvation. And this is them playing together. Oh, this is not my video either. This is April, Carlos' horse. It's Fancy Lady and Jazz Shaker's daughter, just Carlos' horse. And one thing that I noticed, which I told y'all in the beginning, that Fancy Lady's female breeds are like solid colors. Like, y'all don't know who Sandy is? I wish I had a picture. April, and it was another horse named Snowball. And I can't remember, but I think Snowball was a solid color. So I can't remember. But yeah, those horses were all female and they all were solids. Then KC and Salvation, on the other hand, were painted color horses. So I put 1 and 2 together and it made 3. And if you come to the farm, you might have a chance to find Bambi. And this is KC. And this is Casey with April, and Salvation is also his brother. This is Honey Gold and April, besties. I might should have asked Ken if he wanted me to put this in here, but I'm so sorry, Ken. I'm sorry. He'll see this video.
Whoa, whoa.
Ken did good though.
Good girl. Come here.
And this is the Unstoppable Trio. And this is Trix. And this is Little Rube. And when I first saw Little Rube, I already knew it was a male horse because it's a painted color horse. And right here, we found a cow from the packing house, and it kind of managed to get inside the field. So we had to call up the cowboys to come get the cow, and you'll see what happened in this video. So I kind of speeded up a little bit so it won't be that long. And yeah, just stay tuned.
Woo!
Told you I was gonna get real good. But right here, these are horses I heard that are no longer with us. So, Skittles, Snowball, Sandy, Shaker, Knight, Ebony Go Girl, Chocolate Hot Stepper, Cheyenne, Salvation, and Honey Gold. And don't forget Tom the Cat, which is a cat though. It's in the name.